Welcome to the short introduction to the b.braun bottle holder and screw clamp. To open the holder, locate the green latch on the left side. On the bottom of the latch is a white button that sticks out a bit. To open the holder, push this white button in. At the same time, push the closure up. The holder opens. Then open the cover to insert the required product. The b.braun bottle holder is delivered with an insert, which is used for optimal stability of the 500 milliliter bottle. To convert the holder to fit a 1000 milliliter bottle, this can be removed by pushing in on one side of the insert. A little force is required, but do not use any tools. If you want to place a larger bottle in the holder, you can remove the locking cover by pushing the cover out of the notch. You can now set the height on the right-hand side, where the locking cover was hooked. Insert the bottle into the open b.braun bottle holder to check which notches are suitable for the cover. Then press the cover back into the required notches. To close the b.braun bottle holder, close the cover and push the green latch down until it clicks. The b.braun bottle holder was designed on the one hand as a wall bracket and on the other hand as a bed bracket. A mounting kit is included to attach the b.braun bottle holder to the wall. We recommend screwing on the bottle holder. The 4 larger screws and dowels from the mounting kit are used for this. If the b.braun bottle holder is to be used as a bed bracket, the additional screw clamp can be screwed onto the b.braun bottle holder. To do this, you must first open the bottle holder and remove the insert, as explained at the beginning. As soon as the screw clamp is fixed, you can press the green quick release, which is located in front of the screw clamp, and at the same time, pull the green screw head down. This saves a few turns of the screw head. To fix the b.braun bottle holder to a bed or table or IV pole, the screw clamp can be turned clockwise. Afterwards, press the quick release again and push the screw head up. The quick release only needs to be pressed as long as you want to adjust the height. To firmly attach the b.braun bottle holder, turn the screw head until it stops.